SneakerUps drop-off price and release date. What is up, sneaker fam? Today, we are checking out a massive drop for the All-Star season. The Nike KD 18LX warning label. This is the 18th chapter in Kevin Durant's legendary line, and it is coming through with a commanding stadium green and black look that is built for the spotlight. Just look at this upper. It features a stunning metallic stadium green finish that has a high-gloss, almost liquid metal vibe. Moving down to the outsole, we have got a beautiful translucent green setup. You can actually see the internal tech through the sole, which features an intricate traction pattern designed for Durant's elite scoring movements. And if you look closely at the insole and back of the tongue, you'll find that hidden warning label 26 typography that ties the whole theme together. Mark your calendars. The KD 18LX warning label drops February 13, 2026 for $185 at select retailers and on Nike.com. This even comes in a heavy-duty special edition black carrying case. Peace.